Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm excited to bring you a great DIY. Every year we go around the table and we discuss what we're thankful for. And as you get older, you kind of forget when it gets to your turn. So I thought, what a great idea to create a placemat. You want to go ahead and measure your table. And I used newspaper and cut it out and laid it out on my table to see that it was the right size. Now I used a Word document to create my placemat. You can see it there. I added a few lines and I picked the color. Now I measured how high I wanted them by using a charger as my base. And you can see the measurements right here, how wide I went and how high I went. And then I printed it out on a regular piece of copy paper, but I took it to Office Depot and they actually blew it up to the size I wanted and laminated it for me. Use a dry erase marker and then you get to wipe it off with a damp cloth and use it again year after year. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you'll consider making these mats. They're so great. They're just a conversation starter for sure. And if you like videos like this, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel.